Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Today we're out in Heath, Texas installing an outdoor system. We're actually going to have two zones powered by Sonos. As you can see right here, we've got our two Sonos amps. We're doing AW-650 from Klipsch, as well as an outdoor sub. This is the PRO-10SW-RK subwoofer. The customer already has a couple of a few speakers out here from when they moved into the house. We're going to just utilize their existing speakers. We've got two out here, as well as two up under the patio here. They have created they've added in a pergola, and we're adding in the Klipsch AW-650s out here to have a nice ambiance under their patio. The subwoofer will go out for the pool. We'll add it out here. We're going to be driving that with the Klipsch KDA-500 amplifier. That is 500 watt amp that can power, it's got 4 channels. It can power various different devices, but the nice thing is it has presets for the Klipsch speakers as well as their subwoofers. So it's going to be a toasty day out here in August, so high of 101. So we're going to get to work and hopefully get out of the heat as soon as possible. All right guys, so we're going to start with drilling through the brick here. The cabinet where we're going to put the amplifier for the subwoofer is literally right on the other side of this wall. And this is a perfect spot for our subwoofer. So we're going to place this right in the corner here. We're just going to go right through the wall and run our 14.4 or 14 gauge 4 conductor cable right through. So that'll give us some wiring options with that. So in the end, it'll look just like this. We'll have the cable go right through the wall and go right into the speaker. So we're wiring in the PRO-10SW outdoor RK subwoofer right now. We're wiring it 8 ohm configuration. So on the RK here, you just line up all the colors, match the colors up, red to red, white to white, green to green, black to black. We're going to be wiring inside as well. We'll show you that. So we've got all the speaker cables in the plug here. We're just going to push it right into the back, just like so. Secure it in, just like that. So we're going to take the subwoofer out of the Sonos amp and go right into our input right here. Alright guys, what we've done is we've tacked along the cable here. We're still working on this, but we've got one speaker up. We tacked the cable along. You can kind of see a little bit of the white jacketing, but the owner will go over that with the stain he just had this pergola put in. What we're doing here is putting a junction box. We've got the cable all tacked along underneath the soffit. We're going to wire into the 14.4 that was run here. And we're going to splice in, so we've got the two 14.2 cables going in for the speakers. Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. We're out in Heath, Texas today doing phase 2 of a customer's project. I just want to walk through what we've done so far in his house. Here we've got a 5.1 media room, actually a 5.1.2 media room. You can see the speakers in the ceiling. They were already there when the customer bought the house. We added in the Klipsch 502S speakers here for the rears. We did RP500Ms for bookshelves here in the front, as well as a Klipsch RP640D mounted flush onto the cabinet here, as that's what would allow. The home had already been wired for, you can kind of see up here, that was actually for where the speaker material is, acoustic material is for speakers, which if you come down here you can see it is clearly way too high for ideal acoustic height for imaging. So we moved, rewired the room, brought everything down. You can kind of see here, it's a little dark in this room by design as being a dedicated media room, but we've got bookshelf here on either side, and then the 640D here. He's got a 65-inch TV here, which is going to be in the next phase of upgrading that. So we're going to go out to the living room here. They're having a party right now, but out here, customer already had a TV, but we've got a Sonos Play Base right here, and a Play Sub for the room in here as well. So you can see behind the couch. So they've able to listen to music, which they listen to music constantly in here, but get nice music in here as well. So for the patio, we actually have Sonos amps behind the TV back there. It's kind of hard to see, and a Klipsch KDA-500 amp for the subwoofer. Got a PRO-10SW-RK subwoofer outside. So we go on out. You can see up under here, they've got some old speakers which will be replaced soon, again in the next phase, as well as some outdoor speakers out here at the pool. Those were already here, and we have made them work. We wired for our PRO-10SW-RK sub right here. This is a 10-inch outdoor subwoofer. It blends in really nicely with pretty much any surrounding out here. This just blends in with the rocks. You just don't see it. You can see it's a beautiful backyard here. What we did do is wire in some new Klipsch. We've got Klipsch outdoor speakers here. So we've got those wired up under here. And this is another zone. They're going to be putting in, they just had this pergola put in. They're going to be putting a fire pit in over here so they can relax. And then the kids can be out at the pool and enjoying different zone of music. If you come inside, we've also got a few other zones. We have it done for their speakers in the master bathroom, as well as some other areas. So the TV in the master bathroom can be controlled. We'll actually go through and show you that here as well. So as you come back into the master bathroom, they've got some in-ceiling speakers in here, again, which were already in the house, but we've made them work. We've got a small flat screen TV that they can, it's on an articulating mount, and they can move it around however they want. And we've got a Sonos amp up under here. Got this right here. So the Sonos amp can control the music in here easily through the Sonos app, as well as controlling the TV sound out of the Sonos speakers. So we're going to show you how this works in here. So we've got all the different rooms. We're going to ungroup all the rooms right now. So it all shows up. All of the rooms are independent on here. So you can see we've got fire pit, living room, master bedroom, and bathroom, media room, and pool. We have a Sonos Connect on the receiver in the media room. So if you want to listen to music in the master bathroom, you can come in here, select the room, and you can play whatever music through your Pandora, Spotify, however you want. You can play whatever you want. I'm going to play some music that I've got on my phone. So you can hear this going out. If you want to group the rooms, you can easily down here hit rooms and select group, and then you can select really whatever you want. We want to play this in the living room, sure, hit living room. So now it's playing out in the living room, and you can see down here it says got the rooms grouped. So if we want to control volume out here, really easy to you can control the volume independently here as well. You can mute either one. You can select the volume here, and you can see right here the master. You can master bathroom, but if you want to do the living room right here, you just draw that volume slider. If you want to do them both together, you just select it right here. Go up independently. So it's really, really nice, really easy to use. All right, guys, if you're wanting a system like this and you're in the Dallas area, contact us, Pure Media Systems, at 972-905-0556, or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We're authorized dealers for Sonos, Klipsch, really any manufacturer out there. We can sell their products. That means you have a full manufacturer's warranty. You just don't have a middleman. You're dealing just with us, as we're direct manufacturer authorized dealers. If you're anywhere else in the country, we can ship nationwide. Contact us again at 972-905-0556, and we can ship nationwide, get you the products you need. We make sure you get the right products for your project there at your home or your business. If you are in the Dallas area, contact us. We can come install it for you. Look forward to getting the next video up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.